Open the curtains, lights on. Don't miss a moment of this experiment. Oh, the book is strange, like clockwork orange. Keep your eyes sputtered to the end. We two are going to be inside the mirror. Do you see someone else in the body? Dance for me, 1 hand, 2 hands, 3 hands. Turn around, sit like a doggy till I finish my read. Cut it off, cut down your nose. All the stubborn loyalty is going to get you killed in the world with inconvenient spirits. For the puppets on TV, there's comfort in the streets. If you're gonna control me, at least make it interesting theatrically. How does it feel to be free? Why don't you try yourself? The gate opened on me, so I leap down, down, down I go. Tell myself I'm a tough girl. Down, down, down I go. I can never, never, ever touch the soul. My heart goes right, my head goes left, and end up on your bed. Sure be your marionette. Here, talk on my thread. Spread me open for dolly pink Snow White artificial beauty. Maybe we all caught machines, stuffed into human skin, with human things sewed up by the god of city. Cut it off, you fried it off. All the precious bravery is gonna get you hurt in the world that feeds on the minority. Made a self-centered believer. If you're gonna replace me, at least have the honesty to kill me slowly. When does it end for me? I think I'm done with everything. Now I'm ready to leave. Dragging now 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines connects our hand when I no longer can live on knowledge alone. You gave me strength, for curiosity. Maybe they're still happy and still left for my discovery. What's the color of the electric shape you see? And if you love me, can you love your everything too for me?